Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi friends, my name is Jihan Naila.
My name is Alifa, Redifa.
My name is Naura Yasmin.
My name is Salsabila Triandani.
And we're going to show you how to make slime. Let's get started!
For the materials, you need fox glue, clear glue, borax, water, food coloring, glitters, and beads. And for the equipments, you need spatula, bowl, glass, and small container. First, prepare the equipments and materials needed, and then prepare a bowl and spatula. Pour the fox glue and clear glue into the bowl and stir using a spatula. Add few drops of essence to the slime to make it smells good. Add a small glass of water to the mixture in the bowl and stir until evenly dissolved. Add few drops of borax so it becomes less sticky. Play with the slime so it doesn't stick. Put the slime in a small container. After that, add food coloring and beads to decorate the slime. And you're done! The slime is ready!
That's all from us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to share your positive opinion in the comment section.
Don't forget to share
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching.